Anybody hungry? Damn it. She is watching them. She's all excited. I believe. Oh, something happened. They all went back into Twee. It's kind of fun watching the birds. I should get out old Betsy, huh? Nah, I'm not gonna shoot a bird. But still. If it came down to it, I would. But McDonald's is right over there. So they're lucky. There's the brave one eating right out of the dog's bowl. Huh. Huh. They're robbing Shunka's food bowl. That's funny shit. And you're letting them. What the heck? How you gonna let them steal Shunka's food? Huh? Yeah. This is kind of fun. I'm gonna have to show Brian what the birds are doing to his dog's food in the morning. See, over there is where we wash out the dishes after we eat at night. So there's all kind of food debris probably over there. Woohoo.